So how can you check the charging speed of your Android device? Let's get started. So naturally, there are some tools which you can use out there. First of all, let me just quickly cover the built-in tools, because if you open up the settings and find the battery in a device care, you can check out the battery section, and there are some charts right there, and you might also see how exactly the phone has been charging and kind of like calculate the time period it took to like charge it up, but it's not really ideal. That's why some third-party apps are likely going to be necessary. So I just downloaded this app called Ampere Flow, right? And if you open it up like this, you can see the situation of your battery right away. So you can check out the temperature, the status, the max capacity, and everything, right? And at first, you have to give the app permission, so it's gonna jump you over into the settings where you enable it like that, and then you can return back to the app. Notifications are definitely not necessary, and you can see the situation right now. So you can see I'm currently discharging, but let me just connect to a some kind of charger to see what happens like that. So let me just connect a cable real quick, and we should be able to see the difference right away. So as you can see, the phone has began charging, and we can see in real time like the actual speed, like 40.1%, right? And you can see how quickly it's going, and you can even see the wattage at the bottom. You can see the temperature, the estimated time remaining, and also the time. So this is like the like you are probably supposed to use it as the home screen, or just have your phone laying around with all of this data showing. So yeah, that's kind of how it works using this app. It works pretty well, but you just need to give the app permission to access all of that, and then you're gonna be good to go. So let me know below in the comments if it helped. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video and found it useful. For more content and videos like this one, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you later.